Hey, welcome back, guys, to Knowledge Over Grades. This is your favorite math tutor, Latrell Jackson, and today we're going to be talking about the famous trick for nines multiplication facts using our hands. You probably know what I'm talking about, and I'm going to just go through what the steps are in order to do it properly. So this trick is for your nines multiplication facts from 1 to 10, okay? So let's start with 1 times 9. What you're going to do is put your hands out in front of you. It doesn't matter if they're facing towards you or away from you, all right? And the number that you're multiplying to 9 is the number that the finger that you're going to put down. Okay, whatever place that finger is in, that's what you're going to put down. So we have 1, so we're going to put down the first finger, okay? I'm going to do like this, the first finger. And you're going to start from the left, all right? Going to start from the left. This is my left. I hope it looks like it's from the left. So I'm putting down my first finger, and then I'm going to ask myself, how many numbers do I have to the left of that finger that's down over here, right? There are 0 fingers over to the left. So how many fingers do I have to the right of that finger that's down? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's 9, right? 0 is the tens place of our answer, and 9 is the ones place of our answer. Okay, 0, 9 is just the same as 9, right? So 1 times 9 is 9. Okay, as we continue, it'll get a little bit more easier to understand. So let's keep going. We're going to start with, now we're going to do 2 times 9, okay? So we got our hands out, and we're going to put down the second finger from the left. All right, always start from the left, and we're going to ask ourselves how many fingers are to the left of the number that's down. There's 1 finger, right? How many fingers are to the right of the number that's down? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so the amount of fingers that are to the left of it, that's our tens place. Our tens place is 1. Our ones place is 8. So we have 18. 1 next to 8 is 18. All right, so 2 times 9 is 18. And you can see that on the screen as well. Let's do 3 times 9. So we got our hands out. We're putting down the 1, 2, third finger. Put that down. So how many fingers are to the left of that finger that's down? We got 2. That's our tens place. How many fingers are to the right? We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27 is the answer for 3 times 9. This is starting to make sense. Let's keep going. 4 times 9. Hands up. Put our fourth finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 3 fingers to the left of that fourth finger, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers to the right of that fourth finger. So 3, 6, 36 is our answer to 4 times 9. Isn't that crazy though? Like, how does that even work? I don't know. The 5 times 9 is our next number. So hands up, put on our fifth finger from the left, and we are going to do 4 to the left of that finger. So that's our tens place, 40, and 5 is our ones place. 45 is 5 times 9. Okay? 6 times 9. Put down our sixth finger from the left. We have 54. 5 to the left of that finger that's down, and 4 to the right of that finger that's down. 54 is our answer to 6 times 9. 7 times 9. Hands up, put down your seventh finger. 6 fingers are to the left of that seventh finger, and 3 fingers are to the right of that seventh finger. So we have 63 as our answer. 8 times 9. Put down our eighth finger. So we got 72. 7 over here, 2 to the right. 72 is our answer. And then 81, we're going to put down our ninth finger because we're doing 9 times 9. Put down our ninth finger, and we have 8 fingers to the right or to the left of our finger that's down, and 1 finger to the right. Okay, so 81. Got it? Is 9 times 9. And then last but not least, 10 times 9. So 10, we put down our 10th finger. That's our last pinky. And we have 9 fingers to the left of that 10th finger, and 0. Nothing is over here. So 9 is our 10th place, and 0 is in our 1's place. So that gives us 90. See, not that bad. So let's do a quick one. Let's do 5 times 9, okay? 5 times 9, put our hands up, put down our 5th finger, 45. All right, let's do 7 times 9. So we got our hands up, put down our 7th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th finger is down. We got 6 over here to the left, 60. And we got 3 over here, 3. 63 is 7 times 9. All right, so try it on your own. Also, don't forget to download your multiplication times table. I have created this for you to help you memorize your multiplication facts up to 15. I've never seen a multiplication fact table up to 15, and I think that it will be beneficial for you to know your facts up to 15, along with the diagonal yellow squares, which represent your perfect squares. Whenever you see one of these, it means that you're multiplying a number by itself, okay? So 9 is the same as 3 times 3. 49 is 7 times 7. 144 is 12 times 12. 169 is 13 times 13, okay? So go ahead, click the link right in the description under this video so you can download your multiplication times table. And I will be back in our next video with more tips and tricks for multiplication. See ya.